My name's Conley Owens. I'm a pastor of Silicon Valley Reformed Baptist Church. We're a small church of 25 members here in Sunnyvale, California. For nearly 2 decades, we've had a T-Mobile antenna on top of our steeple. And this wasn't causing any problems until we started to notice that there was a lot of rot that was going on. This damage continued, and T-Mobile acknowledged that there was a problem and that they were the ones who had caused it. However, as many times as they sent people out to investigate, they never sent someone out to actually fix it. There were a lot of aspects of our lease that weren't exactly ideal, but all we really wanted was for the problem to be fixed, for the steeple to be repaired. And so we contacted Terabonne to see if there's any way that we could use any of the clauses in our lease to get some leverage in order to get the situation fixed and the property repaired. It was fantastic working with Tung because he actually had industry connections. From his previous work experience at T-Mobile, he was able to contact someone he directly knew and get a promise from them that the matter would be solved in a more reasonable time frame than what we were looking at. Tung negotiated the situation so that T-Mobile had to pay us a fee for the damage that was done, in addition to leasing the parking lot that they had to use in order to repair it. And from that, he took a small commission. He was very gracious to our small church that didn't have a lot of money to pay him up front. When it came time to finally get the repairs done, Tung negotiated the contract so that there were no loopholes. We were very afraid that there might be another situation like we had before where T-Mobile would be able to start the work and then not finish it. But he made sure that we had the leverage we need so that the work would get done. In addition, he made sure that the reimbursements they would be giving us were fair and proper. I was very satisfied with the contract negotiations. I would highly recommend Tung's services. He was very gracious toward us and flexible with our financial situation. In addition, he made sure that everything got resolved. He was very proactive about reaching out to us at critical points in the negotiation stages. He was very proactive about reaching out to his industry connections in order to make sure that the matter was escalated and taken care of in a reasonable time frame. I was very satisfied with the work he did, and I don't think we would have been able to do it without him.